Hey guys, I have this little Easter sign that I've been wanting to update. It had a cute little picture on it, but I wanted to make it more about the season. So I'm just going to paint over this to get a base on here, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to let that dry and put another coat on, and then I'll bring you back. Hey guys, I am getting ready to upcycle an old decoration that I had. So I'm going to be decoupaging. So I thought I'd bring you along. I am just cutting the top off of that Ziploc bag and can trim it down a little. Okay, so now we can open it up. I'll lay that aside. This is what we're going to be using. I had this from I want to say maybe the Dollar Tree, and Happy Easter. There you go, Happy Easter. And it used to have a little bunny on it with like this same little thing of eggs going around the bunny. And it was really cute. I've used it for years, but I decided I wanted to put a lamb on it instead. So I've got this napkin, and it's four-sided. I only need one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out. Go ahead and trim down a little. What's going to be quite a lot of that coming off. And that's okay. Now you're only going to need the top layer. Some napkins have 2 layers, some have 3. You can see this one is 3. So we're just going to peel this off. Be going on something like that. And we can either trim it up a little more now, or we can wait. Since it has the jagged sides, we'll go ahead and give a little trim here. Okay, that looks good. So what I'm going to do is I want to get my piece of plastic. I can really cut that down more too. And I want to turn the little lamb upside down. And then get a spray bottle. Okay, so we're just going to take a little spray bottle of water. We want to get our napkin wet. Now gently pull out any wrinkles. Let me pull this back over. There we go. And then gently just peel it away. Looks like I still have just a little bit up here on the edge. Now you can gently just pull that off, or you can wait until it's dry. Now I have Mod Podge. And let me find a brush. No, Gracie. And you just want to put your Mod Podge on. I did forget to say I had a very thin layer of Mod Podge underneath that napkin. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. A couple little wrinkles there, but I'm not worried about those. I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to put another coat. I'll probably do 3 coats of the Mod Podge. Okay, we are here to do our 3rd coat. Just a very thin layer. Once this dries, I do plan on going ahead and hanging it up. I keep this little sign right after the new year. I just go ahead and put it in the bathroom because we don't really decorate for Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's or any of that. So I just go ahead and put this little sign in that small bathroom. And I'm anxious to use it this year because it's just a little bit different. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys how you could always change things, your decor, without getting rid of a piece. Maybe you just want to change it up a little bit. So I will see you guys back next week. Have a great day.